Brillouin zone. What is Brillouin zone? A Brillouin zone is defined as a Wigner-Siege primitive cell in the reciprocal lattice. Let us first discuss about fast Brillouin zone. The fast Brillouin zone is the smallest volume entirely enclosed by planes that are perpendicular bisector of the reciprocal lattice vectors drawn from the origin. The fast Brillouin zone is the central cell in the reciprocal lattice. For example, let us construct the fast Brillouin zone for an oblique lattice in 2 dimensions. So how to construct the fast Brillouin zone for an oblique lattice? First, take the reciprocal lattice in Fourier space. Let O be the origin in the reciprocal lattice. Then draw a number of vectors from the point O to the nearby points in the reciprocal lattice. At the midpoint of all the connected lines, draw new perpendicular lines or planes. The smallest enclosed area is the fast Brillouin zone. The figure shown to you are the reciprocal lattice in Fourier space. Let O, this point, be the origin in the reciprocal lattice. You draw a number of vectors from this point O to nearby points in the reciprocal lattice, like this vector, this vector, this vector, like this. At the midpoint of all the connected lines, you draw new perpendicular lines or planes to this new vector. To this vector, you draw a perpendicular line like this. To this vector, draw a perpendicular line like this. To this vector, draw a perpendicular line like this. Similarly, for this vector, you draw a perpendicular line like this. Okay. Then the smallest enclosed area is the fast Brillouin zone. So this is the smallest enclosed area, which is nothing but the Wigner-Siege cell. It is called the fast Brillouin zone. Now let us draw the fast Brillouin zone for the linear crystal lattice. Consider a linear crystal lattice in 1 dimension having basis vector, let us say A. Then the reciprocal lattice of the basis vector A is equal to twice pi by A. Let this basis vector of reciprocal lattice having length twice pi by A is equal to the B vector. To construct the fast Brillouin zone, draw reciprocal lattice vector B and minus B from the origin O in 1 dimension. At the midpoint of the basis vector B and minus B, draw perpendicular bisectors of length pi by A and minus pi by A. The enclosed area from minus pi by A to plus pi by A gives the fast Brillouin zone for the linear crystal lattice. In the figure shown to you, let A, it is the A vector, it is the linear crystal lattice in 1 dimension having basis vector A. This is a linear crystal lattice in 1 dimension whose basis vector is A. What will be the reciprocal lattice of this basis vector A? The reciprocal lattice of this basis vector is equal to twice pi by A, which is denoted by the vector B vector. To construct the fast Brillouin zone, we have to draw the reciprocal lattice vector B vector and minus B vector. Okay. from this point O. Then at the midpoint of this basis vector from O to this point, the midpoint is this one. So at the midpoint of the basis vector B and minus B, you draw perpendicular bisector. This is the perpendicular bisector. This is also the perpendicular bisector. And this perpendicular bisector is pi by A, and this perpendicular bisector is at minus pi by A. So you will get a area. You will get a area from minus pi by A to plus pi by A. That gives you the first Brillouin zone for the linear crystal lattice. So remember, the region in K space between minus pi by A and plus pi by A is called the first Brillouin zone. The region in K space between minus pi by A to plus pi by A is called first Brillouin zone. So here also you see the region between minus pi by A to plus pi by A is called the first Brillouin zone. Similarly, the region between plus pi by A to plus 2 pi by A and the region between minus 2 pi by A to from this minus pi by A, or you may say minus pi by A to minus 2 pi by A, this region, this is called second Brillouin zone. So this is the first Brillouin zone and this is the second Brillouin zone. Similarly, we can define the third Brillouin zone, the fourth Brillouin zone, etc. Brillouin zones are the area in K space or Fourier space where the electron waves are allowed. In the energy band diagram, you will see that Brillouin zones are the area in K space where the electron waves are allowed. So from this to this, the electron waves are allowed. From this to this, the electron waves are allowed. So these are the allowed electron allowed area in K space. In the energy band diagram, this is the energy band diagram, we will see that how the electron waves are allowed in first Brillouin zone. This is the electron wave, how it is allowed in the first Brillouin zone, and how also the electron waves are allowed in the second Brillouin zone. And in between the first Brillouin zone and second Brillouin zone, you have a forbidden energy gap. You see, this is the forbidden energy gap. Then what is Brillouin zone for two-dimensional lattice? The region in K space between plus minus 2 pi by A along, let us say, Kx and plus minus 2 pi by A along Ky is Brillouin zone for two-dimensional lattice. So here Kx is the vector along x-axis and Ky is the vector along y-axis. So we have to take the area plus 2 pi by A and minus 2 pi by A along x, and also the area in between plus 2 pi by A and minus 2 pi by A along y. Then you have to construct the area in K space to find out the Brillouin zone for two-dimensional lattice.